The opening of the mystery. There's a frequency that exists beyond the physical world. A resonance so powerful that it has been used for millennia as a divine shield. You might know it as the 91st Psalm, but for those who understand ancient spiritual protocols, it is much more than a collection of words. It is a mathematical and spiritual activation code. Throughout history, soldiers, kings, and mystics have turned to these specific verses not just for comfort, but for literal protection. Today, on At Hidden Sacred Codes, we're going to deconstruct this ancient cipher. We will explore how to move from simply reading the text to actually dwelling within its protection. If you have been feeling vulnerable, anxious, or lost, stay with me. This activation is for you. The secret place, verses 1 and 2. Let us begin at the foundation. Verse 1 says, "He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." In the original Hebrew, the word for secret place is sither. This is not a physical location you can find on a map. It is a state of consciousness, specific vibratory alignment. To dwell means to remain. Most people visit the secret place only in times of crisis, but the code only activates when you make it your permanent home. Imagine a sanctuary of pure light surrounding your mind. When you align your thoughts with the shadow of the Almighty, you are entering a quantum field where the laws of the mundane world no longer apply. This is the first gate of the activation, total surrender to the divine frequency. The snare of the fowler, verses 3 and 4. Moving deeper into the code, verse 3 promises, "Surely he shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence." The fowler represents the hidden traps of life, the things you cannot see coming. The pestilence refers to invisible threats, whether biological or spiritual. The activation here is the shield of truth. Verse 4 tells us, "His truth shall be your shield and buckler." In ancient times, a buckler was a small round shield used for close combat. This means the protection of Psalm 91 is active and dynamic. It moves with you. It is a defensive barrier that adapts to every attack. As you listen to these words, visualize a golden buckler rotating around your energy field, deflecting every negative thought and every hidden trap meant to stop your progress. The night terror and the arrow, verses 5 to 8. Now we face the two main types of human fear: the terror by night and the arrow that flies by day. Night terrors are the fears of the unknown, the anxieties that keep you awake. The arrow represents the direct, intentional attacks from others, jealousy, malice, or bad intentions. The code provides a divine immunity. Verse 7 contains the most famous promise: 1,000 may fall at your side, and 10,000 at your right hand, but it shall not come near you. This is the frequency of distinction. It means that even in the midst of chaos, you are marked by a different vibration. You are in the world, but not of the world's suffering. To activate this, you must declare internally, "I am not subject to the chaos around me. I am governed by the law of Thyem, not subject to the chaos around me. I am governed by the law of the Most High." The Angelic Protocol, verses 9 to 13. As we approach the climax of the activation, we reach the Angelic Protocol. "For he shall give his angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways." This is the authorization of spiritual guardians. In the sacred geometry of these verses, the angels are the executors of the code. They are the ones who ensure that you shall tread upon the lion and the cobra. The lion represents overt power and pride, while the cobra represents hidden poison and betrayal. By activating this part of the psalm, you are commanding your spiritual environment to come into order. You are no longer walking alone. You are walking with an escort of celestial light. Every step you take is guided. Every path is cleared before you arrive. Final activation and conclusion. The final verses are the response from the divine. because he has set his love upon me. Therefore I will deliver him. This is the then logic of the universe. If you set your love, your focus, your frequency on the divine, the deliverance is automatic. It is a law as certain as gravity. We conclude this activation by sealing the frequency. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the 91st frequency vibrating in your heart. You are now behind the shield. No evil shall befall you. No plague shall come near your dwelling. You are protected. You are seen. You are loved. Thank you for joining us at Hidden Sacred Codes. If this activation resonated with your spirit, subscribe and share this with someone who needs a shield today. Comment, I am activated to lock this frequency into your reality. May you walk in the shadow of the Almighty. Until next time.